How to buy Litecoin LTC cryptocurrency beginners tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I bring you back with yet another cryptocurrency topic. In this video, we'll be discussing Litecoin and how you can buy it, sell it, withdraw it, whatever you'd like to do with it, trade it, etc. So it may seem complex, but it's just like any other cryptocurrency. In fact, I think personally that it's much easier. So I'm gonna take you through everything and I'm gonna guide you through it. So first of all, let me familiarize you with what Litecoin really is. So Litecoin basically was created to be a faster, cheaper, and obviously less safer version of Bitcoin. So as we know, Bitcoin prices are really high nowadays. Like Bitcoin is around $33,000. One Bitcoin is 33,000, and obviously it's a very big blockchain. So what the people did was they took a code out of the Bitcoin blockchain and they created the Litecoin blockchain. And Litecoin was just faster and cheaper because data was traded in small portions. So a faster trade, a cheaper trade, but obviously security wise it was a bit weaker than Bitcoin, but it still is an amazing crypto to trade. So I'm just gonna get you through the basics of how you're gonna trade it, how you're gonna buy it, how you're gonna sell it, and yeah, I'm gonna guide you through, and it's very easy. And by the end of the video, you will know how to buy Litecoin. So let's get right into it. So first of all, I need to tell you the three platforms which are the top platforms to buy cryptocurrency which support Litecoin. So the three platforms, first of all, is Coinbase. Second of all is Binance, and third, Kraken. Now, these three platforms are obviously the most popular platforms. The whole world uses these to buy their Bitcoin, sell them, stake them, trade them, whatever. So we're just going to go through it. I'm going to show you Coinbase, the Coinbase method, and the Binance method. Kraken, I don't widely use, and I would not recommend you using it because Binance and Coinbase are just much easier. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm going to take you to coinbase.com. And once this loads up, obviously, you're going to need to sign in and create your account, and you're going to need to have a fully accessible set it up account. Like you're going to have to set up your wallet, you're going to have to verify yourself, you're going to have to put in your PayPal, bank account, debit card, whatever you'd like to withdraw your funds from, your fiat currency from, and you're going to need to set your information to the fullest. Basically, you can't leave anything behind. Now, once you've done all this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to trade. And once we're on trade, this is a very simple interface. I'm just going to wait for it to load up because when we go on trade, it's going to show us the market of all the different cryptocurrencies. There we go. So it's loaded, and this is the market of all the cryptocurrencies that we have. So as you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum 2, Tether, BNB, they're all over here. If we scroll a bit down, we can find, there we go, there's Litecoin. So if we see Litecoin, this is showing it in my fiat currency, but Litecoin is usually going for, right now, it goes for around, I guess, $60 or around that. Litecoin, if we even go on Google, it shows that, yeah, Litecoin goes for around $60 nowadays because it dropped. It used to go for $217, but obviously the graphs have dropped. So this is one of the ways you can buy Litecoin because as you come over here in the trade section, you find Litecoin and you have a buy button here over here. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to go and buy. Now, obviously, I haven't set it up my account. So once you set your account up, there's going to be an interface like, they're going to show you an interface like this. You're going to put in the amount of Litecoin you want to buy. For example, wait, I'm going to change this to Litecoin. Yeah, there we go. And once this loads up, yeah. So you're just going to put in the amount in your fiat currency. For example, if you want to buy this amount of Litecoins, and you're going to click on that, and it's going to show you that this fiat currency of yours can only buy you this amount of Litecoins. Or if you want to just directly put in the Litecoins you want to buy, for example, if I want to get 60 Litecoins, so this is the amount fiat currency that I'll have to provide. So I just need to put in my details, and then I'm just going to order it. And we will have Litecoin deposited in our assets, which are right here under Coinbase. So we're going to have our Litecoin deposited over here. From then on, we can trade it. We can sell it if you want to. We can withdraw it to our bank account or our wallet, whatever we'd like. And this is how easy it is to do it on Coinbase, which I prefer mostly because, yeah, it's just a very simple process. Then there's also Binance. So Binance is a bit complicated, but Binance is what most traders use because on Binance they have proper candle charts, and candle charts are basically very helpful for traders because candle charts indicate the drop or the rise in the sales of a trade, and you can just check those out very easily. If you want to know how candle charts work, I have a video of that uploaded on my channel, so please go ahead and check it out if you like to. And if you want to know more information about it, more advanced information, you can tell me down in the comments and I'll reach you ASAP. So once you're on Binance, obviously you're going to log in, you're going to register. It's a long process. You're going to need to put in all of your details just like Coinbase. And once you've verified yourself and fully set it up your account, you're going to go down to trade. And once you're on trade, you can either go on Binance Convert. I'm going to open that in the new tab. We're going to click here. We're going to go over here. Once this loads up, you can either do this in where you can just select Litecoin over here. Just go here and select Litecoin. So we're just going to like LTC, and there we go. It gives us our Litecoin. So if you want to convert or buy or enter any amount, you can convert your, if you have, for example, BUSD or tethering, or if you have Bitcoins or Ethereum, you can set them over here. Over here, I have LTC right now, but okay, let's switch this. Okay, so for example, you have BUSD. You're going to put in your BUSD tokens, and you can convert those to your Litecoin tokens. So that is Binance Convert, and this is just a very simple overlay of how you can simply convert your already tokens into Litecoins. Or if you want to straight up buy them, so you go on Spot. Once you click on Spot, this is where the complicated part starts, because over here you need to know how candle charts work. So to learn how candle charts work, obviously you're going to need to watch any video. You can watch mine because I explained it in very easy steps. So here we go. Here is the whole candle chart. Now you can just go up here, or you can go on any of these and you can just write LTC. There we go. Now you can do LTC by USDT. You can do LTC by BUSD, LTC by BNB. You can do any one you want. You can do LTC by Bitcoin. But obviously, you're going to go with the one that's most popular, most used, and the pair that's most used, LTC and USDT. So we're just going to click on that, and we're going to go and see the stocks, the charts. So once we're here, just zoom into it, and you can check as, like, you can set it for 4 hours. And now these candles are every 4 hours. So every 4 hours, you can see that the LTC coin just increases. And then the decrement rate is quite less. It mostly is increasing nowadays. And as you can see, the average movement chart also. So yeah, that's how you check the trading prices with a pair of the LTC. And if you want to buy them, you can just enter your price over here. And obviously, I don't have my card or anything set it up on this right now. But if you have it set it up and you put in your amount, it just gives you a buy now or order now option over here, and you can buy it. And once you do, your orders will be placed down here, and it shows all the funds and trades you've made. So yeah, that's how you buy LTC on Binance. So I've showed you two ways, Coinbase and Binance. Coinbase is just much simpler and basic. In Binance, if you're doing proper trading, you can use Binance, because if you want to take a more professional marketing mindset, you can just go through Binance, and Binance helps you trade LTC much better with pairs. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. And if you want to know any more things, let me know down in the comments. If you have any queries related to this video, let me know down, and I'll reply to you ASAP. And yeah, I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. And share this video with your family and friends and people in need. And yeah, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.